Hi, I'm Mike Heidebrink, president of Cheng Concrete, here for Concrete Network. This is our outdoor living series made from Cheng DFRC. Let's get to work and see how these things are made. For this project, we're going to be casting a 48-inch diameter tabletop. This is the template that we used for this, at a 2-inch thickness. To build this mold, after we've traced out the template of the diameter of this, we've gone ahead and marked it out onto a 3/4 inch sheet of melamine. We use melamine on projects like this because the melamine is already sealed with plastic and gives us a nice smooth finish to cast onto. After we've traced out the diameter, we've gone ahead using the Proform curved form system. This is what's called a wall section. It's a curved form that allows us to make inside and outside curves. It's about 2 inches thick. Using the 3M Super 77 spray adhesive, we've just sprayed the bottom of this form wall, and we've sprayed onto our form base, and then applied, or basically stick this around the template onto the base. Now you'll notice that the face of this is pretty rough. This texture will actually transfer onto the concrete if we were to cast concrete directly against it, which we don't want to do. So what we've done is actually taken a wall liner, this 2-inch rip of a plastic material that has a nice satin finish on it, and we've laminated that to the curve and used that as our forming surface. The wall liner can either be applied with a transfer tape, or we also sometimes use the 77 spray adhesive. Let's move along here. I'm going to set these off to the side. But before we get ready to cast, there's a few things that I want to point out. In the center, you see here a knockout. This is just made from a 1.5 inch PVC pipe with a fender washer and a 2-inch drywall screw to hold it in place. What this is for is we are going to be using this tabletop outdoors, and the client wants to put an umbrella into the tabletop. So this is the opening for the umbrella stand to go through. Also, there are 2 seams in our wall liner. There's one right here, and then we've gone on the opposite side, right across from it, where the wall liner material seams. It's important when you're doing these seams, since they are going to be visible in the finished concrete, that you make them straight and very tight. We don't want any jagged, rough lines. We want a nice, clean line there. The instructional drawings for this 48-inch tabletop can be found online. I'm Mike Heidebrink with Cheng Concrete. Thanks for watching.